What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another video. My name is Nour Trades. I'm known for turning $20,000 into a little over $3 million, almost at $4 million now. But I'm going to speak to you guys about how I made over $400,000, and it was a pretty big day. So before we even get started with the video, I do want to speak to you about what went into it. I would say like 360,000 came from the swing of me playing earnings. So obviously there's a lot of luck into that. I did a lot of research, but at the end of the day, playing earnings is gambling. So I just wanted to put it like that. I'll put screenshots up here so you guys can see how much I made. This is my separate account. You guys know I have multiple accounts, but this is one account. I'll put screenshots of my other accounts up here. I also posted it on Trades Like Nour on Instagram. That's where I post my daily trades every single day. So $360,000 came from swing into earnings, and then another 70,000 came from me day trading Amazon. So basically this video will I just told you how I made 360. Now let me show you the last step on how I made over 400,000 with this 70,000 profit. This was the day trade and the only day trade to add to my profits of those 360,000. So let's get right to it. Today was obviously a very big day with the whole coronavirus BS. We keep getting more clients, and I'm not more clients, but more people with more patients with that virus coming from China, human-to-human contact. I just saw one in the city, a news on the city, and then you can see Dow was negative 603 points. Pretty big. We haven't had one of those big days, that big of a day, since I think I read August, if I'm not mistaken, and that's a pretty big deal. Amazon at one point was up $250. It opened around 180. It started dipping right at open. And yeah, so let's get started, right? So what did I do here to make $70,000, right? Let's get started. So look, this was the initial pop on earnings. I had shares I sold, right? I sold those shares for Amazon, boom, right? So, but I can't sell contracts after hours. So obviously I had to wait. It took a big dip, and as you can see, when it took that dip, it bounced right off 20-20-55. It created a gap, and when things make all-time highs, especially $200 higher, it's just very hard to find resistance and support, because these are new levels that a stock is going through. So when people ask me, yo, where's this stock headed to, this, or where's this stock headed, I can't tell you if it's making all-time highs. I can tell you certain points that it's created that will make certain resistances and support. They're not very strong support and resistance lines, because they hit it once. They're hitting this line once, or they're hitting resistance once. So when things are making all-time highs, it's very hard to conclude where the stock needs to surpass for it to accelerate, obviously, other than previous all-time highs that it just created pre-market. Like, let's just say it surpassed 2,133 with some volume, then we would think, all right, cool, this is gonna further accelerate and push the stock higher, right? But at 5 a.m., if you look at the time up here, at 5:35 a.m., I guess we got some news overnight, the stock dropped all the way to 20-20-55. It only hit it once and bounced right off of it, right? We could zoom in a little bit. You see that candle? That was the lowest candle. It was actually a little bit lower, 2019. So I set my support at 2019, right? What happened in the morning? It just sold off. As soon as it hit 2019, I knew when it bounced right here, I got in a little early, so it was a little scary. So as soon as it hit 2020, I got in. Did I make a mistake by getting in? I did and I didn't, because on Fridays it's very hard to get filled, especially when there's volatility and it just had earnings, so the IV is kicking, premiums, and it's Friday contract, so it's gonna move extremely fast. So what I did was I got in early, and as soon as I got in, this stock dropped from 2020 all the way down at 20, I would say I saw 2004, and I think it dropped to 2002, and I sold at peak at the bottom. And as you can see, look at that big wick, right? That's a big rejection to the further downside, and it just bounced right off. And it was just a great play. I sold basically at very bottom at 2004. It kept going to 2002. Probably could have made an extra maybe 10,000. It was that crazy today. But that's how I created my support level. I created that 2,000 and 20 support level because it hit it once. It created all-time highs, so that's not a strong support system, but it did fall to that level and bounced off. So I created that level. You can see it held it for the rest of the day, and then it broke it again towards the end of the day at 3:07. You can see the time up here from 2020 all the way down back to that low, 2002. So now we know that's another support. We just found a second support for Amazon at around 2002. So now we have two supports for Amazon at all-time highs. It's very hard to do that, very hard to find support and resistances, but now that you guys can see, you have two support systems here. We have one at the beginning of the day and one at the very end, and they were both at around the same level, 2002. So today, that's how I made over $400,000. It's a very good day, very great day, and that's how I came up with my support on Amazon. It had great earnings. I killed it on every direction. So if you guys like this video, you want me to make more educational videos on how I make my daily profits for the month. I'm gonna make videos for you guys for how much I made this month, how much I made this week. It depends what account, but I'll let you guys know. But if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, and comment down below what other videos you want me to do. Would you guys want me to make a video of my car, whatever? It could be any type of video, more vlogs, just let me know. But I appreciate everybody tuning in. All information about me will be in the description. My Instagram is Nour Trades. My trading account is Trades Like Nour. And if you want to know more about my student profits, go to StockHours on Instagram. I post my students' profits every single day and their progress every single day. So I appreciate everybody coming here and joining me today. I'll see you guys. Peace.